Microsoft recently changed the Copilot UI. Earlier, we used to have a work and web button in premium version of Copilot. Now that button has changed to work IQ button. You can either switch it on or off. By default, it is on. You click on it, it's off. So when do you use it? Let's take an example. Here in this chat, I am asking it how to manage meetings effectively. And it went ahead and searched all my data. Data means files, mails, chats, meetings, and it found a standard operating procedure for meeting management. So it's getting the reference from there and it's giving me the details. That's what Work IQ On does. Copilot looks at your internal data and also external references. Now let's do the same thing without Work IQ. It's off. Same prompt. It's still giving me results, but these results are coming from the LLM or the AI model knowledge. You don't see any references here or citations because this has come from the knowledge which is embedded within ChatGPT. Now that we know this, what is the best practice? You're putting the prompt, so you should decide in order to get the appropriate answer, should Copilot look inside the data and externally? Then Work IQ should be on. If you want Copilot only to give you an external or world view, then switch Work IQ off. In other tools as well, you will see this. For example, when you're in chat mode in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you will see that. But this is still the older user interface. It says work or web. So work means internal plus external, web means only external. Same thing in chat mode of Word, same thing in chat mode of PowerPoint. Now, in this case, I have Work IQ off. I've already asked a question, I've got the answer. Now, I'm going to ask one more prompt. At this stage, if I realize I want Work IQ on, switch it on. But then see what happened. Now your prompt and the history is gone. So that earlier one is still saved, but this one is gone. So you should change it as soon as you create a new chat and put the first prompt. And whatever you select on or off is going to live throughout that particular chat conversation. Now you know exactly how to use Work IQ. Start using it and get more precise answers. That's it for now. See you soon. Thank you.